Beautiful people, today you're going to learn how to make borscht. Starting off, you're going to want 1 head of red cabbage, roughly chopped, 2 carrots, chopped to your preference, 4 medium-sized potatoes, cubed to your preference. Again, same, beetroot, I'm using the vacuum-packed ones, 4 of them, 1 medium onion, finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of caraway or rye seeds, 1 tablespoon of cracked black pepper, salt to taste, and at least 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, a small handful of fresh dill, some vegan gravy granules, I'm going with 3 tablespoons, and 3 cloves of garlic. Now the gravy's to replace the beef broth that's usually used. Let's go ahead and fry off our onions alongside the garlic, give that a good stir. Go in with your caraway or rye seeds, next we're going in with the carrots, and the potatoes. Now I'm just going to season that with some salt and pepper, giving that a good stir. And I'm adding in the cabbage. Going in with the gravy granules next. And I'm just going to cover that with water, just until it reaches the top. You can add your beetroot at any time really, I'm adding in it at this stage. You can use fresh beetroot, you can use cooked, I'm using the cooked one from the vacuum pack. And I'm just going to cover that to about ½ centimetre above the vegetables. Now once that's boiling, I'm going to drop in gravy. And I'm going to give that a good stir as well. I'm going to let that cook down, and once that's cooked for about 40 minutes till the potatoes are soft, I'm going to go in and add the apple cider vinegar in there. That's pretty much ready, folks. I'm going to serve that up with a dollop of vegan yogurt. If you've got vegan cream, use that, it's even better. And just rip up some dill and place that on top for decoration. Folks, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a like, give me a comment, give me a subscribe. Every engagement is amazing, just like you. Ciao for now, see you on the next one.